Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel A to Z Creative, where we create amazing arts and crafts from A to Z. In today's video, I'll show you how to make DIY fake cotton candy ornaments as part of our Candyland-themed Christmas trees series. For this project, I use Hi-Lite Blanket Couverture. This is commonly used for crafting such as snow effect on trees or under the tree, as stuffing materials, and for other DIY projects. But before diving into the main project, I experimented with a few coloring mediums to see which worked the best. I tested Ecoline watercolor, purple alcohol ink, Winsor & Newton watercolor, and Crayola watercolor. The alcohol ink turned out to be too sticky, so I decided to skip it. Instead, I went with the Ecoline, Crayola, and Winsor & Newton watercolors. I used Ecoline watercolor here for coloring and tried spreading it evenly by squeezing it onto the material. Looking back, I'd recommend a simpler method, which is diluting the watercolor in a basin of water and soaking the cotton blanket. This helps retain its form while ensuring even color distribution. So after coloring, I let the pieces dry completely. Once dry, it's time to shape the cotton candy. I use stylish paper straws from the dollar store as the base. First, I loosened or separated the blanket into smaller pieces. Then I used a glue gun to attach the pieces together, shaping them into fluffy cotton candy forms. For a neater finish, you might want to flatten the blanket pieces slightly before wrapping them around the straw. And to add some sparkle, I sprinkled glitter over the finished cotton candy. And that's it, another adorable addition to our Candyland-themed Christmas tree. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share. And please do subscribe to our channel so you will never miss a new DIY project. Thanks for watching!